Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at an IBM PS2 keyboard in need of some serious cleaning. See it sitting on a Macintosh Plus there? Well, this keyboard was actually sold to me with a Macintosh Plus, unseen I should add. Let's just say the seller didn't know much about computers. Well, it looks like I have my job cut out for me. This is one disgusting looking keyboard. So let's get on with it. Taking the state of this keyboard, I actually kept it in a plastic bag because, well, it was absolutely filthy. So let's take a closer look at this keyboard. Yeah, so there's some kind of splashing of something, dots, don't know what this is. It'd be very interesting to do some chemical analysis of this. Is it blood? Don't know. Some industrial application maybe? Well, let's take a keycap off and take a closer look at the type of keyboard this is and how it looks. Yeah, so this is a pretty proper stem then, sort of combined with the keycap and the plunger they're built in, and yeah, this is actually a rubber dome keyboard. Stem goes in there and touches a dome, rubber dome that touches the membrane, but it's got quite a lot of weight, this keyboard, still, and nice feel typing on it so far, although I don't really want to touch it unnecessarily much. Ooh, look at that on the side even. This is going to be satisfying cleaning. This is the candidate for the dirtiest looking keycap, Swedish vowel O. I'm putting all the keycaps in this container to soak them in some soapy water, but coming to these keycaps with metal stabilizers on them, we need to remove the metal because we can't be soaking them. Right, and so all the keycaps are off to soak in water, but wow, let's take a closer look at this keyboard, man. Without the keycaps, it actually looks much worse. This is some kind of dust and hair, is it? Or pet hair, perhaps? And yeah, it's all stuck. I mean, this is terrible. What is this? And it's actually stuck so much that we can turn it and it doesn't come off. But yeah, so this is an IBM KB-8926 keyboard from '98, as you can see, and it's quite a weighty and good feel to it actually. So this will be worth fixing. So let's get this open up so we can clean it properly. I had some serious trouble getting into this keyboard. I removed the screws from the back and then nothing I did really helped, and I thought, well, there must be some kind of plastic tabs, right? They usually are. If you remove all the screws, still can't get it open, then there must be plastic tabs. So I brought out my sponger and I tried and I tried and I tried, but you know what, look at this. The secret to my inability to actually get this open was hidden beneath the dirt itself. Yes, hidden beneath this grime and hair or whatever were actually 3 additional screws that I needed to remove to get this open. And with those screws removed, the top lifts up really nicely. And yeah, then we have the this most disgusting piece of plastic separated. And looking at the bottom half, it's actually not so dirty. So here is the rubber domes, so to speak, on this mat. It's quite easily washable. And here's the membrane. I've seen flimsier looking membranes. This is quite nice. So both this rubber piece and the membrane beneath it seems to be in a great shape, so I won't actually need to clean these, but yeah, so I'll just put it back so I know where I have it. So I'm separating all the pieces, the membrane and the back plate and the little controller board, and also the cable from the back piece of plastic, so that we can give that a good scrub as well. So this is the cable that is wrapped on there, and it should just slide out through this hole. And yeah, once that's removed, then we have our two pieces of plastic to be able to wash them properly as well. And these are the two ends of the PS2 cable. And the back plate, not too dirty. And this is the fun part, I guess. Well, or is it? Certainly is satisfying. Look at this. It's finally coming off. So 20 plus years of pets, I guess. And yeah, look at that. Finally, we see some exposed plastic and this hairy mess. Yeah, I'm not sure you want to see this, but here it is. And yeah, exactly why am I not wearing gloves? I don't know. And here are the keycaps, and some regular hand soap usually does the trick, along with some hot water, and this will help the grime to loosen up in the soapy water, and the longer you keep them in here, the better really, and it comes off easier. I usually keep them at least 24 hours for the dirt to release. So here we are a few days later, and the dirt is now lying there on the surface, released. So let's get scrubbing. Now this is quite tedious work. One has to scrub each and every keycap on 5 sides in total. So on all 4 sides of the keycap, and then on top of it. And I've done this so many times with so many keyboards, but yeah, it really is worth your while if you want a fresh keyboard, and having it soaked beforehand makes it much easier to actually get the stuff off. And yeah, it's really rare that I actually scrub all the keycaps in one go. Done about half of them now, and I'll put the rest of the what is left of the dirty ones in some more water, or hot water, and I leave them, and I'll come back to it later. So this was how the keyboard originally looked when I got it. Lots of dirt on the outside and also under the keycaps. And having put it together after cleaning it and drying it, this is what we got. And I must say I'm really happy with this clean, and it's a great keyboard to type on. Wonderful rubber dome keyboard, nice solid touch, and if you do come across this keyboard for a reasonable price, do pick it up.
And if you've enjoyed this video, do hit that like button, and if you'd like more retro computing coming your way, do consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you for watching. Bye!